Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of intermittent fasting. If you're new to this concept, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the key points of intermittent fasting in easy-to-understand terms. Whether you aim to shed some pounds or improve your health, these tips will definitely help you start on the right track. 1. Understanding intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting sounds complex, but it's quite straightforward. It's not about what you eat, but rather when you eat. The main idea is to change how your body gets its energy. Instead of relying on carbs, intermittent fasting helps your body to burning fat for fuel, bringing numerous health benefits. However, you might face a few challenges as you make this change. 2. Start slowly. If you're new to intermittent fasting, it's best to ease into it. Begin with a 16-8 approach. It means fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window. The key is gradual progression. Post your first meal a little later each day until you naturally skip breakfast. Step by step, your body can adapt to this new rhythm without feeling overwhelmed. Listening to your body is essential. Only eat when you're hungry, and don't force yourself to stick to a strict schedule. The beauty of intermittent fasting is aligning your eating pattern with your body's natural signals. If hunger strikes earlier than usual, that's okay. Breaking your fast is allowed when your body needs it. 3. Stay hydrated. During fasting periods, it's crucial to stay hydrated. With fewer carbs in your diet, your body releases water, which can lead to electrolyte imbalances. These electrolytes, like potassium and magnesium, are crucial in maintaining proper bodily functions. Consider adding a small amount of sea salt to your water to prevent dehydration and keep your electrolytes in check. Additionally, you can opt for electrolyte supplements to meet your body's needs. Transitioning to intermittent fasting can initially trigger symptoms like fatigue, headaches, and skin rashes. These are usually temporary and occur due to changes in nutrient availability during fasting. To make this transition smoother, you can explore nutritional supplements. Magnesium, potassium, and B vitamins can help counter these symptoms. They support your body's energy production and metabolic processes, reducing the likelihood of experiencing discomfort. 4. Consider MCT oil. MCT oil is a helpful tool for transitioning into ketosis, where your body uses fat for fuel. This special type of fat is easily converted into ketones, which provide quick energy. Incorporating MCT oil into your fasting routine can make the process more manageable. It's important to note that MCT oil isn't a magic solution, but it can boost your energy during your fasting window. 5. Choose your eating window. Deciding on your eating window is an important part of intermittent fasting. You could begin with a 16-8 approach, fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window. Gradually, you might consider reducing your eating window to 4 hours while extending the fasting period to 20. Finding a balance that suits your schedule and preferences is key. 6. Evening eating in parasympathetic mode. When you eat, opting for a later eating window, between 6 and 9 p.m., can benefit your digestion and relaxation. During this time, your body enters parasympathetic mode, promoting rest and proper digestion. It can contribute to your overall well-being if you prefer to have your main meal in the evening. 7. Exercise during fasting. Exercising during your fasting period can offer notable advantages. It helps your body utilize excess glucose and enhances insulin sensitivity. When you exercise during fasting, you amplify the positive effects of both activities. However, remember that fasting periods might be an adjustment for your body, so start with light exercises and gradually intensify as you become accustomed to the routine. 8. Blood sugar management. Incorporating apple cider vinegar and lemon juice can be beneficial for those dealing with blood sugar issues. These elements can help counter the effects of uric acid and help stabilize blood sugar levels. Including these natural remedies in your routine might provide extra support for managing your blood sugar. In conclusion, intermittent fasting offers a flexible and effective approach to improving your health. By understanding the basics and implementing these simple yet crucial tips, you can confidently embark on your intermittent fasting journey. Remember, listening to your body, staying hydrated, and making gradual changes are key. With time, you'll likely experience the positive effects of increased energy, weight loss, and improved well-being. If you want to delve deeper, check out the written version of these tips below. And be sure to hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching.